Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Just a small video, I hope to be a short one, on my wife's RX450 hybrid. Yeah, I fixed something, I'm going to fix more. In this car I have a keyless enter, or she has. I have to be very careful here, because this car I bought for her, to be honest, and she have deserved it. So, key fob, I can keep it in my pocket. When I go to open the door, it's like that. Just open everything and just sit inside. Everything is nice for me, but the rest of the door on the car is locked for other people who want to go in, and then I have to go and kick opening here. That is not what I want. I just wanted to open all the doors at the same time. From factory, those 450h are coming with, when you have a key and you open it remotely outside, touching it, all the doors open. And then you can get it programmed. Then you have to go to a Lexus dealer, it's stand in the book, to get it reprogrammed so it only open the driver's door and not the rest of the door. And that was, this car was programmed like that, and often when it have been used, it have been used like we're driving the family. And if you touch on the outer passenger door, then it opened the whole car. But often, if I've been driving, or my wife also, I go out and use this door, open, and it's only open the passenger or the main door for the driver. I wanted to change that, and problem was I couldn't change it in the menu, but you can change it. Hold in, open, unlock. Now you heard a ding. Now I have reprogrammed again, because I programmed it once. So if I lock everything now and open the driver's door from here, everything else is locked. Also when I go out, there, no, everything is locked. Open here, to open this door, the rest of the doors are locked. You can see it there also, the back door. All the doors are locked. That I can understand in a big city with the kidnapping and afraid of people jumping in your car. But you can change it. No. Now it's changed. If I go out again, there'll be a lot of running in and out for you guys. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's reprogrammed. So it's only pushing in the buttons for what's around 3-4 seconds, or maybe 5, I'm not sure, till you heard the dong. Then it's changed from just the passenger door to all doors. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. So thank you. That was a lucky thing. It's nice to see. Of course. Yeah. Car is locked. Key is working like I want it. how to change this for 10 times easier than I was thinking. Please come back, please start follow the channel, please see more videos about the Lexuses we have here. RX400 hybrid, RX450, LS400s, ES250, Suare, a lot of the Toyotas, yeah, a lot of things. Thank you.